Ōrākei. I'm from the Eastern Bay Songbird Project. So we've been working with Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei for about a year, helping them to control pests out here in Ōrākei. And so today I'm going to show you how to set a trap, where to set it, and what to do with your rat once you catch it. It's really easy to set. You can put your bait in there, so peanut butter is really good. Pick peanut butter especially. So you just fill up this little cup there, put it back in your trap, set your trap till it clicks, pop your trap into your tunnel and close the hatch, and that's the hole that the rat goes in. So it's important to set it right down this back end, and then you place it alongside a fence line or next to your rubbish bins. And then it's really easy. If you've caught a rat, you can just take it out and you can just empty it above your rubbish bin. You don't even have to touch it, or you can put it in your compost or bury it or anything. And you can contact us on our Facebook page, Eastern Bay Songbird Project, or by emailing ōrākei@songbird.org.nz, and we can get a trap to you.